It's a 2016 Chevy Impala V6. Have a battery corrosion problem. Changed the battery maybe a month ago. Dealership, they recommended to replace this battery cable for $170. Their labor rate was $128 an hour, so that'll be about $35 an hour just to change this cable, this 10mm bolt, this 10mm, and then this one right here. Pretty simple. It's $100 for the cable, $70 for the labor. But from rockauto.com, I got the cable. It's supposed to be AC Delco, though made in China, and for $36. So pretty simple to change a 10mm bolt here, here, and there. Pretty simple, and clean this up. New battery was put in about 2 weeks later. This corrosion came back, so decided to go ahead and order the cable and change it myself. To get this off, have this loose, go around. There's a tab right in there. Push that tab down, pull the harness out. Got the new cable in. Put some of this stuff from Advanced Auto Parts on, like the old school way, maybe to help keep from the corrosion. Took about 20 minutes. Get this on. This whole new cable came with a new nut. 10mm, 10mm. Plug your harness back in, and use the 10mm deep socket with a extension for this nut here. Clean some of the corrosion off, and that was it.